means a lot to us because each time when it comes to sustainability, we have put a lot of effort in sustainability, in the innovation of sustainability, and it's all about planet and people also today. And so by winning this award means a lot. We are keeping 1,000 trucks out of the road, and we also substituting many thousand tons of plastic each year. I want really to congratulate our teams in Belgium and in Hungary, not only for the innovation, but also for driving through the supply chain, because it was a big effort to bring this to all Europe. Yeah, of course the award is important, but the event is really, really nice. You're seeing many people from not only the competition, but also all the congress. It's very interesting to keep contact with all these people. It's a record this year, it's 240 people, and it's really an amazing event with very good networking.